In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iCloud photo sharing link not working on iPhone, especially if you've updated to iOS 16 or later. We all love sharing our favorite moments with family and friends, so it can be quite frustrating when the iCloud photo sharing link doesn't cooperate. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of solutions to overcome this issue. Let's start with the basics. First, double check your internet connection. It's essential to ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. A hiccup in your signal can lead to problems with sharing, so make sure your connection is strong and steady. Next, let's verify your iCloud account. On your iPhone and any other device where you aim to share photos, sign out of iCloud and then sign back in using the same Apple ID. This simple step can often resolve unnoticed authentication issues that may be preventing your sharing link from working properly. Now moving on to iCloud Photos, it's crucial to have iCloud Photos enabled on your device. Head over to Settings, tap on your name at the top, navigate to iCloud, then Photos, and confirm that iCloud Photos is turned on. Additionally, make sure Sync this iPhone is toggled on. These settings allow your photos to be uploaded and shared seamlessly. If you're still encountering issues, try sharing the same photos through a different method such as email or messaging. This technique helps determine whether the problem lies with the link itself or within iCloud photo sharing. Sometimes the link format might be the culprit, so testing with another method can save you time and frustration. The ever-reliable restart is our next step. Simply restarting your iPhone can often resolve minor temporary glitches that could be impacting your sharing capabilities. It's a classic solution for a reason. Sometimes all your device needs is a fresh start. For those who still struggle with the issue, consider resetting your network settings. While a bit more drastic, this can often clear out persistent connectivity issues. Navigate to Settings, choose General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and finally, reset network settings. Keep in mind this will erase your Wi-Fi passwords and other network configurations, so you'll need to re-enter them. Finally, visit Apple's System Status page. Here you can check for known issues affecting photos or iCloud services. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end, but rather a temporary service outage that Apple is working to fix. There you have it. With these steps, you should be well equipped to tackle any issues with your iCloud photo sharing links. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.